yakhona ukusukuma yagijima yagqoka amasaka yaya enlotheni yayokhuleka yaziphushaphusha uNkulunkulu waphakamisa isandla wabaxolela wena ngazi uthandaze kangaka ukuthi sengithandaze kangaka ngazi uthandaze uyazimolda uthandaze uyazipenda. That is why ustatement kangaka. That is why into zakho zinetheki kangaka. That is why umenda wena yodwa kangaka. That is why umzalwane hluphekayo ngoba yathuma nje. Bayahlupha abaprofethi besikhathi bikelela i-fivefold ministry bokuthobeka abakhulu abasiphethe phambi kwethu bashayela izandla izitha uNkulunkulu after this revival abantu they're gonna win, they're gonna get their stories are gonna change, there will be a turnaround after this. Come on! What did they change? Come on, mother! Hey! Hey! Phela uNkulunkulu usiphathisa into ehlukile. Don't undermine anyone because ikhona into azoyithola komunye nomunye ngoba khona lokho uNkulunkulu abanye baphathise kona. Even now I'm gonna get something. Yeah, Rabahashat, Isaiah 63 verse 15.